retro to the future, bringing us a 64 gigabyte custom image, rocking the Phil's Doodles Stranger Things theme, and it's got 3 different intro videos. It's got custom launch videos. It's all arcade based. You're going to see a lot of arcade sets, and it has all the bells and whistles that we're seeing with the Word Dirty Gaming image. So Cody, Pixel, Chromium, and when you go into RetroPie setup, way more. So let's go ahead and have a look. So first thing that's really nice about this image is it's fully capable, fully customized. Everything from the splash screen to the loading screens to the theme, and the background music, everything is decked out Stranger Things. If you like Stranger Things, look no further. This would be a great bar top build. As you can see, it's catered towards arcade, so shoot 'em ups, CPS system, Daphne, Neo Geo, light guns. We'll get into those just a moment, but it is fully loaded as well. You have the Jukebox app on here if you want to turn your bar top or whatever you have TV into a media player. You got music, you got Kodi for videos, you got Pixel if you did want a desktop. You have power shortcuts, and inside the RetroPie configuration, a ton of advanced settings. The bezel project, Dreamcast date and time fix, Easy Hacks toolkit already set up for you. Get set up an external hard drive, GPIO shutdown script, overclock scripts. You name the script, it has it, including the ZT ROM downloader. If you did want to add some consoles, you can throw this on a 128, expand the file system, and then all of a sudden add consoles if you want them. Splash screen, Steams if you want to stream Steam. So this basically, the way I look at this with all the images that are coming out right now, this is kind of an arcade-only build with the latest RetroPie, the bells and whistles as far as scripts. Could be a great starting point. If you just want these systems, you're done. If you want to add your own little things on top of it, it's easy, ready to go, not much more further configuration you have to do. After you extract the image, this file is 57.7 gigabytes. It's 61,983,425,000 bytes. So total number of games, just 2,567. As far as the arcade set, you're rocking 1,153. You do have custom collections as well. If you want to see all the 1940s games, Bomberman, Donkey Kong, Fatal Fury. It's cool that they have a video snap for each collection. That's really cool. So the custom collection games are actually console games. I think there are some repeats on the arcade set, but there's another 400 plus games out there. And then the boot screen on those is just the arcade boot screen. Game & Watch 58, Neo Geo 119, Daphne 7, Light Gun 59. Dang, so close, so close.
Welcome to the world of Street Fighter. Well, I got to get it. That makes sense. Prepare to strike. Now.
There we go. So there you have it. Really cool image. I'm going to have to give this one an A-. I think it's an A if you're looking for a bar top only build or a very, very specific build. And I love that about these builds, that they're great. All the games seem to work. All the loading screens seems to work. I had one issue where I was unable to get the background music script to work. I think that's a little messed up on this one. I turned it off, reset it, didn't help. I had to actually delete the MP3 files for it to actually stop playing the music. Or you can, change your system volume, but you don't want to have to do that because that'll mess up other things. It's a purpose-built image. It's not going to be for everyone. But if this is what you're looking for, it definitely gives you a ton of nostalgia, like little tingles on your arms, especially if you're born in the 80s or love 80s synthwave type stuff. This is definitely for you. Thanks to Retro to the Future. Thanks to Phil's Doodles for making such a cool theme. And let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.